We're seeing a lovely 3 BHK. This is a semi-furnished apartment, big foyer area. You got a bathroom here, you got a shoe rack here. This bathroom can be attached with this bedroom. A lot of people have done this, covered this and taken this bathroom in this bedroom. It's a proper bath actually. Let's go in and have a look. Marble flooring, you got royal paint as well in the apartment. Have a lovely bedroom. So that bathroom becomes attached with this bedroom. You got POP done as well. You got textured wall as you can see. 5 air cons and 4 balconies. Rest of the stuff will go away. The furniture, electronics will go away. The air cons, air conditioners will stay. That's a lovely, gorgeous balcony, approx 1250 square feet. Omkar Altamonte is delectable. It's also more inspiring. This gentleman has bought an apartment in Sobo, so he's moving to Sobo. Proper Vastu compliant. As you go out, it's east. As you come in, it's west. So proper Vastu compliant kitchen as well as the puja area as well. Kitchen has a big balcony. There you go. Superb. The balcony from living extends to the kitchen, and this was given as is by the developer. Wash basin as well. Beautiful puja area. And a bedroom here, common bed. Again, it has its own balcony. There you go, which comes all the way from living through the kitchen and to the bedroom. Omkar Altamonte is a lavish lifestyle, given a lavish lifestyle to its residents. High ceiling as well. Another common bathroom here. So 2 common bath and 1 master. So 1 bathroom is attached, 3 bathrooms in all. But what a lovely, gorgeous balcony, the sit out area, very well laid out and dressed to the occasion, where you can sit, relax, chill out and enjoy so much openness and air. Wow, brilliant. You've got all the amenities that you can imagine. The best of the pools and the fitness and the banquets as well. So 3 BHK resale apartment, Omkar Altamonte. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me guys. Cheers. Let's finish here in the living. Wow. Superb.